What's up, guys? It is Bagelsmith here with another One Piece trading card game opening, and I have 3 boxes of OP09, Emperors in the New World. Start with the top one, get these to the side. But yeah, this is the last 3 boxes of my case. Got 1 alternate art leader, 1 bounty poster SP, and 1 normal SP in each of these 3 boxes, so it should be a pretty good opening here. Expecting some big hits, so let's see what's in this first box. Go. Yeah, last video we had our first SP card, which was Rob Lucci, and our first SP wanted poster, which was Buggy, so pretty good turnout there. But now we're here to finish off the case. 3 boxes. Let's get started with the packs here. Rares are Rayleigh and Zoro. They're making a mess on the floor today. 3 boxes worth of booster pack wrappers. Rares are Q and Nami. Rares are Dedashi and Super Rare Frankie. Oops. Rares are Jesus and Super Rare Koala. Rares are Clover and Lucky Roo. Rares are Sakazuki and Van Auger. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't lose focus. Rares are Buggy, and we have alternate art Crocodile. Super rare. A little closer here. There we go. Looking pretty mean here. This would be from his oh, it's Crossguild. Crossguild former Baroque works. Again, this is cool art. Akira Egawa. Always easy to recognize his artwork on these cards. Yeah, cool action shot of Crocodile here using sand. But yeah, nice hit. All right, guys, got our first hit out of the way. Character alt. No clue what type of box this is yet, so we'll keep pulling and see what we get. Okay, rares are Come On, We'll Fight You, and alternate art Super Rare Frankie. We'll be getting a Frankie card. Charging up his Radical Beam. Looking very cool. In his Wano garb. Yeah, cool holographic, cool action shot of Frankie. Yeah, second character alt from the box. So, nice hit. All right, guys, back-to-back character rare hits. Yeah, I don't know what to say to that. We're for sure not getting our last secret rare in this box, but we're still owed, if this will focus, we're still owed a leader or a special card, so that will be our surprise. Rares are Kuzan and Gum Gum Giant. There's our Yasop and Uta. Rares are Shock Bazooka and Super Rare Croc. Rares are Law and Sakazuki. All right, guys, we are halfway through the box. Still need our special cards. Still need our alternate art Dawn. Still need a couple super rares. Still plenty to pull. Rares are Mr. 3 and super rare Mihawk. Rares are Lafitte and My Era Begins. Rares are Nico Robin and Doflamingo. Boy. Rares are Jesus and Crossguild. Rares are Rayleigh and Sabo. Whoa, moving too fast here. Rares are Perona and Sabo, and our first alternate art Dawn. Rares are Professor Clover and super rare Lim. Rares are Lucky Roo and Lafitte, and our second alternate art Dawn. All right, guys, we're at our last 4 packs here. We should be expecting our special or leader card very soon here. Rares are Yasop and super rare Ben Beckman. Rares are Nami and super rare Sanji. Second to last pack. Rares are Come On, We'll Fight You and Doc Q. And guys, it looks like we have some last pack magic here. This should be the hit. Special or leader hit. Stick around after this pack. I'll be going straight into box number 2. Oh, did I miscount? Rares are Van Augur and Shock Bazooka. Hello again, guys. Here's the second box of the video. I took some time to review just to make sure that I was seeing things right, and sure enough, it was only a 2-hit box, so I think I probably have some misconceptions about how some of the what is it? The wanted poster specials and how they're loaded into boxes. Because I was definitely expecting something else in there, but I don't know. I'm kind of confused. But regardless, let us start cracking into the second box here and see what we can get. Under the impression I'm still owed a special card, a leader card, and another wanted poster. My guess is it must take a slot of an alternate art. Probably. Rares are Law and Mr. 3. Rares are Perona and Doc Q. Rares are Sakazuki and Super Rare Frankie. Rares are Lucky Roo and My Era Begins. Rares are Doflamingo and Uta. Rares are Daishi and Buggy. There we go. Rares are Jesus and Super Rare Teach. Rares are Nico Robin and Super Rare Audio. There we go. Rares are Rayleigh and Secret Rare Luffy. This is the 4th Secret Rare for Luffy. And it completes all the Secret Rares that we need to pull from the case. So good to be done with those. The rest of the hits will be alternate arts. But yeah, good to see Secret Rare Luffy one more time here. So nice hit. As we just got our first hit, Secret Rare Luffy. Still have no clue what boxes or what box this is, so need to pull more. Rares are Zoro and Giant, and our first alternate art Dawn. Rares are Kuzan and Super Rare Shanks. Rares are Clover and Yasop. Now halfway through the box. Still got a lot of things to pull. Another Dawn, couple super rares, and our leader or special card. So still a lot of stuff to get. Rares are Cross Guild and Super Rare Koala. Rares are Rayleigh and Dedashi. Rares are Perona and Super Rare Croc. Rares are Uta and Van Auger, and our second alternate art Dawn. Rares are Zoro and Sabo. Rares are Mr. 3. And we have alternate art Super Rare Shanks. I was hoping I'd get this card here, and I'm glad to get it in one of the last boxes. Shanka admitting his Conqueror's hockey. Give all of your opponent's characters minus 1,000 power and rush. Just a big cost, big attack power hitter here. Yeah, really cool effect on the his eye. Oh, let me get a look at it. His eye admitting Conqueror's hockey. Yeah, happy to pull this card finally. So, a nice hit. There we go, guys. Got another hit there, but we still need a special or leader card to round out the case here. If Mr. 1 can focus. Oh, come on. All right. Rares are Daku and Super Rare Lim. Rares are Law and My Era Begins. All right, guys, 4 packs to go. I think we're owed one more hit. Rares are Clover and Lafitte. Whoa! Rares are Shock Bazooka, and our last alternate art leader is Nico Robin. Yeah, I think I mentioned in a previous video, I had Luffy, Teach, and Robin all left to pick, and I didn't care which one I got because I liked all of them, but happy to see Nico Robin here. Don't have many Nico Robin alternate arts, so Nico Robin in her, what garb is this? Is that her Miss All Sunday hat? It must be. But yeah, cool to get her leader card. But yeah, nice hit. All right, guys, we just rounded out all the hits in this box, so not expecting much. Means our last box is a special rare box, which is pretty cool. And hopefully our wanted posters in there too. Rares are Kuzan and Nami. And guys, last pack of this box. Stick around. I'll be going right into my third box after I go through this pack. Rares are Sakazuki and Lucky Roo. All right, guys, here is the last box of my case here of OP09, box number 12. I did decide to do some research about how many special rares or special cards are in each case, and I found out that there's only one poster and one normal special card in each case. So the Buggy poster and the Lucci I got in a previous video, that is all I'm getting. But Yeah, for whatever reason, I thought we were getting 2 of each, but it is not. Hits are not allocated like that. So this is just going to be a case of, I hope, is 3 alternate art cards. I think it should be at least. I do not have the count off the top of my head. Rares are Lucky Roo and My Era. But yeah, I was a little bummed doing the research, realizing, oh, I'm getting less cards than what I thought I was. But yeah, makes it kind of hard to collect a set of wanted poster cards and the normal special rare cards. All right. Rares are Doc Q. We have alternate art Teach. Kind of had my eye on this super rare alternate art. Pretty happy to get it here too. Just a cool effect here of the shockwave effect against the card. Yeah, and just Blackbeard's a cool character in general, so yeah, a nice first hit here. All right, guys, we're starting off hot. Second pack, we got a hit. Seems to be happening often in this case. Rares are Sakazuki and Super Rare Teach. Rares are Doflamingo and Uta. Oops, all right. Rares are Dedashi and Buggy. Rares are Perona and Super Rare Shanks. Rares are Jesus and Super Rare Croc. Rares are Zoro and Gum Gum Giants. Rares are Nico Robin and Super Rare Audio. Rares are Rayleigh, and we have alternate art Super Rare Lim. This is a pretty cool looking card. I like the, oh wow, the holographic effect behind her looks cool. I like the outlining of her too. Yeah, cool looking Super Rare alternate art. Again, don't really know much about her because I haven't played the game, but seems like a pretty cool person. I wonder, kind of forget her gimmick or what her purpose is in the game story, but yeah, this is looking pretty cool. Nice hit. All right, guys, we got 2 hits. If I counted correctly, and I don't really know if I did, I'm hoping we get a 3rd hit in this. Not too sure yet, but we'll see. And it'd be nice to end off with a 3-hit box. Rares are Crossguild and Uta, and we have our first alternate art Dawn. Rares are Kuzan and Clover. All right, guys, we're halfway through. Still have some super rares to pull, a Dawn to pull, and hopefully one more alternate art to pull. Rares are Yasop and super rare Ben Beckman. Right here's our Van Auger and Rayleigh. There's our Daku and Shock Bazooka. There we go. There's our Dereshi and Perona. There's our Kuzan and Nami. There's our Mr. 3 and Zoro. Here's our My Era Begins and Clover. Oh, there we go. Here's our Sabo and Super Rare Koala. Oh, geez. Last 4 packs, I just bent what looks like a Dawn card. Not the biggest pain point here, but still gotta be careful opening these packs, man. There's our Sakazuki and Lafitte and our second alternate art card. Alternate art Dawn, sorry, excuse me. There's our Law and Super Rare Sanji. Rares are Come On We'll Fight You and Buggy. And guys, the last pack of the box. Remember to stick around. I'll be recapping hits right after this pack. Rares are Lucky Roo and Nico Robin. All right, guys, thank you for watching today. Here's the recap of all the hits, starting with box number 1. Of course, we have our 2 alternate art Dons. Super is in order we pull them. Frankie, Koala, Crocodile, Mihawk, Lim, Ben Beckman, and Sanji. And then our hits for the first box, we had alternate art Crocodile and alternate art Frankie. First 2 hits there. Then we had our second box here. Of course, we got our alternate art Dons again. Super is in order we pulled them. Frankie, Teach, Audio, Shanks, Koala, Crocodile, Lim. And then for hits, we had Secret Rare Luffy, alternate art Shanks, we had alternate art Nico Robin Leader. Right. And then for our last box, we had another 2 alternate art Dons. Go. Super rares in order we pulled them. Teach, Shanks, Crocodile, Audio, Ben Beckman, Koala, and Sanji. And then hits for the last box were Teach and Lim. Let's see, get them all on the screen here. Put these 2 up here. Yeah. There we go. But there we go. They're the hits. Yeah. Unfortunately, I thought I had a good count on my 3-hit boxes, but 2 of these boxes were 2 hitters. So kind of a killer pull rate for the last 3 boxes, but that's how it is sometimes when you shuffle your boxes and you pick at will. You don't really know, well, really, you have no clue even before that, but yeah, this is what we ended with. Super happy to get Teach Shanks, Nico Robin, and Frankie. Cool to get another Frankie card. Of course, didn't get some of the cards I wanted. As soon as I realized, the wanted poster replaces one of the normal special cards, that I wasn't getting another special rare card. Kind of felt defeated after that, but that's all my fault. Probably should have read up a little more. But yeah, that is it for the case, guys. Still got a lot of cards that I liked. Of course, ultimately, this case was awesome. We got Monkey D. Luffy, manga rare, I think box 4 or 5. Super awesome pull to get. Definitely makes up for whatever I didn't get in the case. It makes the case worthwhile. So cool to get him. That said, I got 2 displays of DP06. Is it 06? Whatever double pack is for OP09. I got 2 displays of those. So I'll be opening those probably a day or so after this. And see if we can make up some hits we didn't get in the case. Maybe somehow pull out a Goldie Roger. Definitely a fever dream. I don't think I would have pulled it in the case anyway. The chance is so low. But yeah, one can hope. But maybe, pick up a new leader, pick up a couple other special rare cards. I say a couple, maybe one. Maybe one of each would be nice. I mean, historically I've had good pull rates in double pack displays, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, after that, starter deck 21 should be coming out relatively soon. Kind of like starter deck 13 Three Brothers. It's got, I think, promo packs with alternate art cards. So surely people will be vying to get those. I'll probably just pick up my normal 2 to make sure I have play sets of everything. And I'll open 2 of those, but we'll see when we get there. And then, believe it or not, Royal Blood is right around the corner. I'm filming this at the beginning of March. Royal Blood, it comes out, I think, end of March, early April. End of March. And then EBO2 comes out end of April. So a jam-packed schedule. Then there's a bit of a break in between that. And OP11 comes out end of June. So yeah, the next couple months, March, April, May, going to be jam-packed for this channel. That said, I still have an incredible backlog of stuff to edit. As of filming this video, I still have my starter decks, a couple premium Bandai products. Gosh, the Flame Fruit. Got to put that up too. But yeah, and then premium booster, and then OP09. I got tons of stuff to upload. Figure it's gonna be like 3 uploads a week for the next couple months, something like that. But that said, enough recap of what I need to do. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys had a wonderful time watching. Hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are, and I'll catch you guys in the next, or in DP06, I guess. Not the next set quite yet, but in the next video. Thank you.